Hey everyone, John Cora here, McClinton Mitsubishi, and we're taking a look today at this brand new 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport LE or limited edition. And today I want to explain to you why this is one of the best values in the crossover market. So let's get started. All right, so most people, when they look at the trim levels on a Mitsubishi, they get a little confused because Mitsubishi doesn't necessarily do their stacking in the way that a lot of other manufacturers do. So for instance, this is the LE or limited edition, but it's near the bottom of the trim level. In fact, currently it sits above the S and the ES. However, though it's considered more towards the entry level side of things, you get a lot of great features with it. And currently, this is the only way to get these black 18-inch rims on an Outlander Sport. So you might be asking, why is that? Well, in years past, we had a black edition that was a more high-end way to get black rims on an Outlander Sport. We were told that that was going to be made for 2022. I have yet to see one though, and we're getting close to the end of the model year. So I don't believe we'll actually have a black edition this year. I could be wrong, but the LE limited edition is currently the only way to get black rims on an Outlander Sport for 2022. Once again, even though this is considered more of the entry-level side of things, you're getting a lot of great features. Of course, you got your LED headlights up here, your fog lights, your turn signals. Every new Mitsubishi has forward collision mitigation, and you get a lot of great features inside too. So you get the big screen for the infotainment. You get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. This one does have the heated seats available as well. This one is four-wheel drive. And you also get red stitching there on the seats that I believe is exclusive to the LE trim. It's also down there on the console. Over here you do have your buttons for your forward collision mitigation and your lane keep assist. Bluetooth controls are there on the steering wheel, as well as your cruise control. There is your gauges. Pretty standard stuff here. You get your your power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Take a look here at the back seat. The red stitching does not continue here in the back seat, but you do have seating for three. You do have a USB-A and a USB-C outlet down there for your phone charging. Of course, power windows back here. There's a good look at those 18-inch black rims. It really looks good here on the black on black. I like it quite a bit. Back here is your LED tail lights, as well as your turn signals, your reverse lights. Take a quick look here at the cargo area. This one does have the cargo shade. And you know, it's a good amount of space. I have an Outlander Sport. I travel in it quite a bit. I have no issues with the amount of cargo space in it whatsoever. This one does have the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. You're going to get up to 29 miles per gallon on the highway, 26 combined, 23 city. So not bad gas mileage. This one, of course, is the black pearl. You can get the LE in pretty much any color currently though. So if black's not your thing, but you want the black rims, you can still get this on the white, or you can get it on like the orange, for instance. But overall, it's a great value, especially when you consider like the heated seats and all that fun stuff. So what sets us apart from the next trim level up, like the SE? Well, for one, you're going to get a standard key. So you have no keyless entry, for instance. You don't have like the pass key system here, like the SE does. You don't get the power mirrors on this one, as far as like the power folding mirrors. A few little odds and ends like that. So you're not going to miss out on a whole lot getting this LE. It's a great value for the money. You do, of course, get this special LE limited edition badge, which is always fun to have. So where is this one priced currently? So this specific one is $28,195. So for under $30,000, you're getting heated seats, all-wheel drive, LED headlights, forward collision mitigation. You're getting a 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty from the factory, And then when you buy it from McClinton Chevrolet Mitsubishi, you're getting a 10-year, million-mile powertrain warranty. So lots of great value for under 30 grand, style, all-wheel drive. If you have questions, give us a call, 304-422-6501. Check us out online, mcclintonmitsubishi.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to talking to you soon.